That's how she looking. I'm gonna put it on my head so y'all can see, but this is how it looks. Got the baby hairs. And this is 28 inches, I believe. Yeah, let's try to put it on our head to see how she look on our head. Yeah, this is how the wig looks on me. How it looks. And I just have on a black stocking cap. I think I'm gonna get the like darker brown one to see how that one look. The lighter one, I know that one ain't gonna look right under these braids. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut the the lace off or if I'm gonna just tuck it under. I seen one in a beauty supply store where the lace was tucked under. It looked like the lace was cut off, so I think I'm gonna try to do that first before I cut the lace off. But I absolutely love these braids. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So this is where they come on me. Stop right here, and this is 28, I believe. This is where they come in the back to my butt. We not the supply store. It was really long. I think it was like 50 inches. I'm gonna show y'all a picture. Hold on, let me see. I still got the picture on my phone. It was like 50 inches. I think I still got that picture. Oh, let me show y'all Fava when she was trying on a wig. Look at Fava trying on a wig. If y'all can see. Oh, this is Fava trying on the wig. She funny. Hold on, let me show y'all this one. This one, y'all. This is the one I really wanted, but everybody like, that's too long, that's too long. And which it is. It was like all the way down. And I'm so short, so that really would have been dragging the ground. But yes, this was like 50 inches, I think. But anyways, y'all, I love this wig. I cannot wait to like really style it. But I want to get this beauty supply smell out of it first before I do anything to it, just because, yeah.